The Gaza Health Ministry has reported over 43,500 casualties. How has the ongoing siege impacted the healthcare system's ability to provide treatment amid severe shortages of medical supplies and equipment?
نعم جيش الاحتلال منذ 400 يوم يعني
for more than 400 days, for over a year, the Israeli enemy has been targeting civilians and hospitals and medical centers. In Gaza, in fact, we have a ton of injured individuals, and the death toll is ever increasing, and the Israelis keep on attacking the health system and hospitals in a lot of places in Gaza. In fact, they have bombarded 42 hospitals, and in fact, the hospitals are facing a dire situation because the Israelis are sieging a lot of areas in which these hospitals are located. And so these hospitals now do not have any medical supplies or fuel. And right now the IDF is sieging hospitals and has been for 35 days preventing the entry of food and medical supplies to hospitals, and even fresh water is being prevented from entry to hospitals. And right now we have a lot of hospitals coming out of the system of healthcare in Gaza, and a lot of ambulances as well cannot cater for the needs of the injured because of the IDF siege over hospitals, and the system of civil protection as well has been disrupted. And now we have for 35 days we have now 3,000 injuries and around 2,500 persons who have died because of the termination and the disruption of medical services.
Now, with the Israeli blockade tightening and food scarcity worsening, the UN has warned of an imminent famine in northern Gaza. What measure is the health ministry taking to prepare for this crisis, and how can the international aid be effectively mobilized under these conditions?
Regarding the situation in Gaza after the corridors have been closed off and aids have been prevented from entry, in fact, we have a catastrophe in Gaza, specifically in the north. There is an imminent famine because a lot of individuals there don't have access to a single loaf of bread because the complete siege and barricade over Gaza carried out by the IDF. In fact, even infant milk is being prevented from entry. Right now, persons are eating grass out of the ground, and infants don't have access to formula milk. And this attests to the barbarity of the IDF, since they aim to starve our people in Gaza. You know, ever since this barricade started out, we've been calling on the WHO and other international organizations to help in restoring